Got some russet potatoes here, pretty close to the same size. I'm going to go ahead and just poke them a few times on each side. Like so. Then what I have here in the pan is a half cup of water and 2 tablespoons of water. So it's going to be a real quick brine. I'm just going to roll each potato in the salt water solution. Make sure I get the whole entire surface covered. I do have the oven preheated to 450. So what I'm going to do is put these potatoes in, cook them to an internal temp of 205 degrees. Then at that time I'll pull the potatoes, brush them with vegetable oil, return them to the oven, cook them for another 10 minutes probably to crisp up the skin. Then these are potatoes, once they're done, you can't let them out of the oven, let them sit around and wait for your meat to be done. It's the potatoes that need to be tended to right away. At that time, go ahead and cut them open to release the steam and serve. So there we go. That's all it's going to take. Cook them on this wire rack. Put in the oven at 450. Here we are. The potatoes have been in now for 57 minutes, I believe. And it looks like we're at 202 degrees. We've got to go to 205. Let's put it back in. Here's a few minutes later. The potatoes have reached 205 degrees internal temp. I'll go ahead and brush them with vegetable oil and return them to the oven to crisp up the skin. 10 minutes later, go ahead and serve immediately. See if I can do this one-handed. You can hear how crisp the skin is. I went ahead and cut them to release the steam, and we're ready to serve. You can let your guests top them the way they wish. But this is the best way we found to do potatoes. So go ahead and give this potato recipe a try.